If you're thinking about upgrading your TV, the Samsung QN90F is definitely one of those models that makes you go, wow, this is the future. And by future, I mean a future where your living room suddenly looks like a private IMAX theater, and your neighbors assume you've installed a stadium in your apartment. For current pricing and availability, you can check the link in the description. The brightness on this thing is insane. Samsung calls it super brightness, and honestly, it's like someone captured the sun, shrunk it down, and shoved it behind a 4K panel. Watching a football game? Every blade of grass pops like it's been painted by an artist on espresso shots. Watching a horror movie? Grab sunglasses, because even the shadows are lit. Samsung's AI processor works overtime, using 128 neural networks to upscale, sharpen, and optimize everything to 4K clarity. Streaming, gaming, live sports, it all looks smooth and crisp, almost like it's reading your mind. Motion handling is impressive too. Fast-moving balls, car chases, or explosions? Virtually zero blur, almost like the TV is auditioning for the Olympics of smoothness. Reflections? Don't worry, Samsung's anti-reflection tech keeps glare in check, so even if the sun is streaming in through the window, you won't lose sight of that last-minute game-winning goal. Color and contrast are vibrant without feeling exaggerated, and the overall picture quality is undeniably sharp. The QN90F delivers a premium 4K experience that's hard to beat, especially if you love bright, punchy visuals with smooth motion. Sure, it's a bit on the pricey side, but if your budget allows and you want a TV that handles everything from Netflix binges to VRR gaming like a pro, this Samsung model definitely deserves a spot on your wall.